Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today I have a very special guest. My daughter is here again because we are getting ready to unbox another advent calendar. This is called The Future Is Yours Advent Calendar by Sephora. Guys, whoever thought of the after advent calendar is a genius. And I'm one of the crazy ones that decided to get them. This is a 7 days of makeup. So there's only 7. 2 weeks ago, this was such a steal. This is a $30 retail value, but it has $69 worth of items. And because of the Sephora sale, I actually got this like 30% off, like a fraction of the price, and yeah, I had to try it. Now, what's unique about this compared to all the other Sephora advent calendars is that this has all full-size items. When they're all full-size, it's such a special treat, kind of like my Fabfitfun box. Trinity and I unboxed that. I'll put it up here and link it for you guys in case you're interested. But I feel like this is such a neat gifting idea. And if you haven't watched my video on gifting ideas, I will also link that here in the description box or over here, guys. If you want to know what's in this advent calendar from Sephora, then keep on watching. So it looks like this. So it's supposed to take you through from Christmas all the way to the 29s because it's 7. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. So it's after Christmas. Like, why? After all the gifts that you've gotten, why would you want more gifts? I was just curious, guys. I was just curious, and because they were full size, I just had to. And they are super cute. I love that they're all standing. This one says Sephora, and then this one says future, and there's the eye. So maybe it's like a glimpse of your future or something. There's flowers, there's hearts. This one says yes, and this one is like the sun or more flowers. Super cute. Like, the packaging is A+. Let's start with December 25th, I guess. Oh, the 25th has that. And let's look at this box real quick. It says, take care of your skin. Ooh, so I'm thinking this is gonna be a skincare. And there's some Prenez de Vaux. I don't know what that means. All right, Trini, open her up. What's in it? What's in it? After the holiday season, you're so tired, burnt out, and then you have to gear yourself up for the New Year's. These masks are gonna be amazing to have. One is, an eye mask. So you have a pair of eye masks. And a lip. And a lip mask. And these are usually like $5 a piece, and you get 2 in this box. What an amazing start. I've never tried this one. It's a watermelon. No, it's a pomegranate eye mask and a cherry lip mask. So how cute are those? Look at that packaging. I love it. Number 26. Okay, 26 has beautiful nails. Beautiful nails. And it has a nice, cute heart right there. Beautiful nails. All right, what is it? Maybe that one. Ooh, some nail file. Okay, okay. Not quite excited about that. But there's a nail polish. How cute is this? Is this even full size? I didn't know Sephora had nail polish. Okay, what color is this? Maroon? Oh, it's such a cute tube. This can't be full size. But look at the color. Oh, maroon. It's color. I don't want it to drip. Oh, this is gonna be such an amazing color. I love this topper. Like, it just goes on like that. and it has like the Sephora logo around it. And you have a nail file. Not bad. 25, 26, 27.
27.
Ooh.
This is exciting.
And this says future. This one says future.
Oh, make every day big.
Make every day big. Okay, I'm gonna open this one. A Sephora size up. Wait a minute, I can't see. It is a mascara. Oh, I've never tried a mascara from Sephora before. This is full size, guys. It's supposed to be super volumizing, which is exactly what I need. So it will be interesting to try this. So number 28. Wait, what does it say? It says yes. Here's the box, and it says what?
Killer eye look.
Ooh, maybe it's an eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. Yes, Sephora. This is the 12-hour colorful eye pencil. I have Sephora's eye pencil. The blue, the yellow, and there's something else, which now thinking about it, I feel like the yellow would go so well with this outfit right now. What color is it, Trin? This says it's in the color tiramisu. It is a matte formula. Guys, this is super lasting, super creamy on the eyes. Highly, highly recommend. Let's see, tiramisu is brown, which I go for like those brown colors.
Oh, got
Here's what it looks like, the tip. It's not a twist up. You have to sharpen this pencil, and
Oh yeah, it is.
love this. It's like a brownie taupe color. Amazing. But yes, guys, if you are looking for an eyeliner, affordable, or maybe just a little bit more upscale, this one is the way to go. I love the Sephora 12-hour pencil. There's something else in there. We didn't even know. Ooh, oh, how cool. You know what? I'm going to give this to my mom because she was looking for pencil sharpener. She always borrows mine. It comes with a Sephora pencil sharpener. How cute. You have one for the big or the small. So that is perfect. Perfect. I love that they included that, guys. This box, I'm halfway there, like a little bit over halfway there, and this box is a winner so far. What number?
Wait, 29.
28 and 29.
I like the box.
I
Pretty
like
cute.
the box too, yeah.
I'm blushing.
I'm blushing. Oh, ooh, how cute. I love the matte packaging. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're gonna have to remove the seal, which is fine. Let's see what color. Let's see. Ooh, it says Sephora, but it's super neutral. I love like a nice big mirror in there. I'm gonna wait because I wanna take a picture of this. Like blushes are so pretty to take pictures of. This is in the color. It's in the color Shame on You. Shame on me. Okay. Okay.
Number 30.
30.
Red lips every day.
Lipstick. And it says Sephora.
I like the donut.
I know. It's super cute. Okay. What kind of lipstick is it? Because guys, I love the Sephora Lip Stories lipstick. And this is different. Look at that. I've never seen this before. Should I open it? Let's see. What color is this lipstick?
Maybe this is like color
It's
red.
Satin Rouge lipstick. It's in the color Rouge. Number 11, excessively good, and it's a satin lipstick. I'm guessing this is gonna be a super bright red lip. It's beautiful. Ooh. It's like a orangey red. Wow, wow. I love this. Okay, I need to take a picture of it. I can't swatch it yet, but this is
so pretty.
So pretty. It's such a unique red color. I think this is gonna look good on both. Can we try it? Oh, I need to take a picture first. Guys, be on the lookout for my Instagram posts because during the holiday season, I'm gonna be on Instagram mostly because I will be taking a YouTube break during Christmas, which I do every year. I really need to unplug and just really enjoy the holidays with my family and friends. Any updates I have from my boxes, I will be putting it in there. So definitely check it out. My Instagram is right here in case you're wondering. 31.
Wait,
Ooh, it says
dream big, shine more.
what does it say? What is it? Wait a minute. Wait. Oh,
A scrunchie?
a scrunchie? And some like glitter jewel stuff to put. I guess it's cute. I think this would be great for the new year, right? This is a face and nails glitter sticker. So I was expecting a highlighter. And when I saw the scrunchie, I was like, how is that shining? Okay. The box says dream big, shine more. A little disappointed on the last one, but guys, everything else was amazing. I'm super happy with this box. What do you guys think? Comment it down below. Do you think this box is worth it? This is available right now, guys, so definitely get it. I feel like this is still a great gift idea. It doesn't have to be during the Christmas season. This could be a birthday gift. For those of you who are celebrating New Year's, birthdays after December 25th, like, this is it. This is for the makeup lover, the Sephora lover. So I highly recommend this. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxing here and there. And thank you to my assistant for joining me. She loves advent calendars like I do, so I love having her here. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!